been everybody's experience that this button has not functioned. And what we've been able to do is, while we can program all the buttons on here to do whatever we want, this button has been a mystery. But now we have the ability so that when you hit the mute button, you wait half a second and you get mute. I'm gonna unmute it, and then I'm gonna mute it again. Mute. Unmute. Mute. So this thing works for any radio, either with or without the learning capabilities. Just as long as you tell us what radio it is. Like if you have the Walmart radio, it'll work for that. It will work for anything. So just let us know what the radio is and we can build a custom mute button for that. Thanks, bye.